Heard about the biggest consolidation of the automotive industry? The Honda-Nissan merger? Apparently, the two giants of the Japanese automotive market, Nissan and Honda, are in talks to create a single entity combining the best of both worlds. Both companies signed a memorandum of understanding in December 2024 for $60 million. This comes at a time when Nissan is facing some financial strains. The profit of the company has sunk about 70% and losses have reached $60 million. Sales are dropping and everything that could go wrong is happening. In fact, the company has decided to shred off its 9,000 employees and cut down on production. Earlier, Mitsubishi was also in talks to join the merger, but later withdrew itself. The condition of Nissan is critical, and there is a possibility that the company might go bankrupt soon. A firm action is needed, hence the merger talks. But looks like it might be a long dream now. What is the possible reason for the fallout? As they say, two swords cannot be in one sheath. That's what is happening with the rivals Honda and Nissan, which were all set to become the third largest automaker with the merger. According to the reports, Nissan, the third largest automobile maker in Japan, and Honda, which is the second largest automobile manufacturer in Japan, are planning to call off the deal due to various reasons and clashes. Ask why? Because Honda wanted to acquire Nissan as a subsidiary, which didn't go well with the leadership of Nissan. Additionally, there has been a rift in the negotiations of the equity, valuation, and asset ratio as well. However, the confirmation stamp to the deal or no deal is yet to be put, and things will be crystal clear by mid-February 2025. Seems like the road to their merger is rocky. Let's hope for the best.